guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Prunella, and if you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to do so. Go ahead and press the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So after all what I've done right now, I hope you guys really like my eyeshadow. And I am going to go and kick in with my contour. That is the LA Gold Pro Concealer HD High Definition Concealer. This is the one that I use, and this is in the shade so this is, yeah, it's called a Beautiful Bronze. Well, it works as bronzer as well if you blend it really good. As I've told you earlier, and you might have seen it in the earlier videos, the reason I love these LA Girl things because of this tiny bit brush, which makes it very convenient to apply. And you see, that's how it comes out. That's how the product comes out. And it's way convenient. It's way convenient to apply. So doing contour is one of my most scariest nightmare sort of a thing in my makeup. Learning contouring from professionals and people who have their own makeup line like Kylie Jenner, Kim Kardashian, Huda Beauty, I mean, made a lot of difference. I've learned how to contour. So you don't want to do too much on your nose. I actually don't do too much. I just apply it a little bit and I blend it out. A little on the tip here as well. Since I have a big forehead, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of it over here. And my jawline, as you've seen that I've already applied. So all I'm going to do is take the flat side of my beauty blender and I'm just going to go and blend it in. Many people use the brush, but since it's a liquid form, this is a cream form, so I like to use my beauty blender and I blend it out. Spoken earlier, you never want to rub it, you just want to dab it, because at the end it's your skin. It is not something to just rub on. So guys, I hope you guys really like this video, and do drop your feedback in the comment box right below, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And sorry, I make these weird faces while I'm doing contour. I know it looks weird, but I guess that's pretty natural for any girl to do, making weird faces. In case you just want to clean out the contour, you see the difference in contouring and not contouring. So the next thing what I want to do is I'm going to go in with the Skin Illuminator. That is by L'Oreal True Match. Yep, I'm just going to take a little bit on the back of my hand, just like that. And all I'm going to do is use any of the fingers you want. So I usually go on with the ring finger, and I'm going to go on the cheek of the bone. So it's a pre-glow sort of a thing, I feel like, just right before my blush that I apply. You can apply it on all your highlight areas, but I personally only like to apply it on my cheekbone and on the cupid of my lip, like the bow over here, and slightly on the tip of my nose. I don't want to go all crazy with it. Then I apply my blush, which I'll be showing you how I do that, just on the cupid of your bow, on your lip. It's a nice tint glow look. The next thing I'm going to use is this blush by Body Shop, and this is called the Honey Bronze. I'm just going to go, it's really one of the best blushes as well that I've used because it's very easy to apply. All you got to do is slightly rub it along. I mean, dab it if you want, or just brush it, you know, brush it away, circular motions, and then swipe it out. So the best part about this honey bronze blush is that you can apply as much as you want. When you start using a blush and blending it out, it really settles down. It doesn't look like it's too much or too little sort of a thing. So the illuminator that I use before my blush by L'Oreal, it is very much optional. If you want, you can use it. If you don't want, you don't. Well, I use it for the extra glow look. I know it looks crazy right now, but look at me now. Watch it go. Keep blending it out, and can you see the difference how it settled here and here? So I like to apply my blush or blend it out in the circular motions, and then blend and swipe it out. I'm going to do the same thing this side as well. You see, initially it looked crazy and now it looks cute. Next thing I want to do is take the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight palette. I'm going to use this color. It's called the Forever Lit, the one that I used on my eyebrow bone highlight area. I'm going to take my highlighter brush, take a little, not too much, just a little bit. Same thing you want to do with the other side. A little bit on the tip of your nose, too much. On the top of your nose here, in the middle of your brows, and on the cupid. So I don't take products for tiny areas like this. I don't keep taking products because I don't want to end up taking too much. A little on my chin is what I like. That's a glowy area. A little bit here and here. There you go. So what do you guys think? If you want, you can just take a little bit and put it in the inner corner of your eye over here. I want to do the same with the other side. And we're ready. So the next thing what you want to do is, I usually like to use a paper napkin. All I'm going to do is clean my lips. So when we're applying the lipstick, you can actually see the lipstick shade. Today, I'm going to use a very nude color. This is by MAC, and it's called the Velvet Teddy. It's by MAC. So before applying my lipstick, I'm going to use my chopstick. Again, this is by VITA NICO BALM Protect and Hydrate Lips. This is my regular. Now, you don't want to put too much because this is really very creamy, very hydrating. Even if you think that you put too much, like I just did, all you want to do is kiss the back of your hands. You can always wash your hands. Mwah. So you take off the excess of your lip balm, and now time to use this beautiful beauty. This lipstick was gifted by my sister, and I thank her a lot because she really knows that I love nudes. I really do. So now that my lipstick is done, so now that I'm done with my makeup, I'm gonna go in and set in my makeup with Smashbox primer water, and this is a set and refresh spray, so you can use it as a primer as well as a makeup setter. So I'm just gonna go and set in my face with this. It smells great. It really does. I don't know what do they mix in it. It really smells great. So guys, this is my makeup. I hope you guys really like it, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video, and comment down below. Do drop me your feedback. How do you like it and how you know? And if you have anything that you want me to shoot about, please drop it down below and I'm gonna do it. Thank you.